Hi, I'm Tammy Fitchett, your Silicon Valley real estate reporter, and today we're going to talk about getting ready for 2018. How are we going to get ready for 2018? This is pretty much today for buyers. We're quickly approaching a new year. We have the holiday season coming up on us, and maybe we are considering buying a new home for 2018. So if this is something you've thought about, there's a little prep work that you can do now to help the process move along much smoother. Whether you're moving to Athens, Georgia, Athens, New York, or out here to sunny California, the process is pretty much the same. It's unilateral throughout. So the first thing that you want to do is to check your credit score. If you're going to get a loan, the higher your credit score, the better. Generally, you're going to get the best interest rate if your credit score is above 740. So now is a good time to pull your credit report and get to see exactly where you are. The next thing to help you get ready is to not open new credit cards. You know, it's very tempting because we have the holiday season with us, but you have to remember, it's harder to apply to qualify for a loan with a high debt to income ratio. So it's best to keep the credit cards down to a minimum and not open any new ones. The third thing to consider is we're coming up on Christmas, and generally people want to do things for you for Christmas because it's the season of giving. So if this is something that you're asked, what can I get you? Instead of asking for something tangible, don't be afraid to ask for a monetary gift and let your friends and family know that you're saving for a house, and I can guarantee you they much appreciate that. I highly doubt they would get offended because I see you trying to help yourself. The next really important thing you want to do is now is a good time to start interviewing real estate agents. You want to make sure that you have a knowledgeable agent of the area. You want to make sure that your agent is experienced, and not just experienced, skilled, meaning they've been in the business and they're good at what they do, because you can have people who have been in the business and not be any better than a newer agent because they don't have the skill. They haven't sold as many houses. They don't know how to negotiate. All these things are going to help you get the best price and the best deal in terms for you. The next thing you want to do is to keep tabs on interest rates, because we know we've been told throughout the year, especially after coming up on an election year, that interest rates are going to go up. So you want to keep an eye on interest rates, because they can affect your payment by up to $150. So, that's money that you may want to use in other places. The next thing that you want to do, and your agent can probably help you with this if you don't have an area where to go, is to find a good mortgage lender, someone who's going to get you a really good rate. Not just go online, as it's tempting to do and find a interest rate online, but sit down and talk with a lender, a qualified lender that has different products to meet your needs. We have a lot of banks. I'm not endorsing anyone specifically right now, but I'll let you know there are a lot of banks with a lot of different products to meet your needs. I know there's one specific bank that if you're in the tech industry and you have stock options, they can use those stock options as income to help you qualify for more of a house. So really sit down and find a lender that's good for you. And after you find a lender, the next thing the lender is going to help you do, the last thing in preparation for getting ready to buy a house in 2018, is to get pre-approved. Because if you go house shopping, it's no fun going house shopping without literally a pre-approved credit card that shows you and tells you exactly what you can qualify for. And this makes, if you should find the house that you're looking for or that you want to buy, it makes writing that offer that much stronger. So again, I'm going to go through quickly the 7 steps to help you get ready to buy a house in 2018. Number 1 is to check your credit score. Number 2 is to not open any new credit cards. Number 3 is to suggest financial gifts for the holidays. Number 4 is to interview potential real estate agents. Number 5 is to keep tabs on interest rates. Number 6 is to find a mortgage lender, and number 7 is to get pre-approved. I'm going to provide the link to the article that I just told you about in the box down below, along with my contact information. If you'd like a referral of more direction of where to go, I would love to help you. Or if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.